Ready for a high-skill, better-paying job? Looking for a career opportunity with benefits and upward mobility? Contact CLC Incorporated today.
We have trained in excess of 10,000 individuals for high-skill, high-wage jobs and really have changed their lives. Most jobs are either in aerospace or welding or machining, are in a skill set that allows our students, when they graduate, to attain a livable wage with benefits.
We place emphasis on providing training in high demand, high growth occupations, such as the welding and the machining and the aerospace, aircraft assembly, composite bonding, logistics, which Dallas-Fort Worth is a hub of logistics.
In as little as 8 weeks, you could become a certified welder. Only 6 weeks for an exciting career in the aerospace industry.
I can't speak highly enough about the way CLC conducts its business and takes care of the folks that come through the program. For years, folks that were trained in composite bonding at the Community Learning Center the Community Learning Center has been the first stop for new bonders at Bell for years and years and years. It is short enough to be doable, but long enough to give you a very high quality skill set to walk into the job marketplace.
You know, I got way more out of the curriculum at CLC because, you know, I was already in a position where I had to support my family. I already had bills to pay. I already had responsibilities, and I had to figure out a way to go to school and develop myself and learn a new skill set to go into a new marketplace surrounded by all of these other influences and factors. And CLC does a fantastic job at formulating a curriculum that is very intensive and very specific to give you the exact tools that you need to go into a job market and do what you need to do. Their instructors are masters at individual attention, at developing people just like me.
Through partnerships with industry, business, government, schools, and community organizations, CLC Inc. provides model education, training, and employment services designed to lead to better jobs and careers for individuals who need and want them most.
First, when I came here, blueprint reading, it looked like rocket science. I didn't know what the arrows meant. I didn't know what the little triangles meant. Now I know it's a fillet wheel.
Well, when a student shows up, we teach them, we spend a week in the classroom doing academics. They go through precision measurements, blueprints, safety is a big one. Then we spend 7 weeks on the shop floor. Interested in bookkeeping? CLC offers a 4-week course in which students will learn all areas of bookkeeping in a business and learn the QuickBooks software. Every training program prepares you to walk into a new job on day one, prepared with the skills and knowledge you need to perform.
They help us set up resumes, like they help us make the resumes, and then they help us send it out to different companies and just try to get out there, put our name out there, let people know that, you know, we graduated, we're ready to go, we're ready to get out in the field and learn more and just work.
What I like to tell them is if there's a company that they've been knocking on the door and haven't had any luck, let me know and I'll pick up the phone and make some kind of communication.
CLC Incorporated has trained more than 10,000 workers for high-skill, high-wage jobs. A rewarding career with higher pay is waiting for you. The market needs skilled workers now. Call 817-569-9008 now or visit clcinc.org to learn more.